hopeless. What's the biggest tip for...
If I'm listening right now and I want to actually get ahead in like maintenance or in the AI or technology, what is the one mindset or your biggest tip for our listeners?
Just quit your job, man.
And then?
Quit your job.
And
just quit lah. Hopeless. What's the biggest tip for...
one mindset shift.
Mindset shift. Okay, so...
Few inches later.
In the olden days of China, there's this saying: if you know thy enemy, you need to retake already. It's true, right? I'm trying to think how to say it in English. If you know thy enemy, you know thyself. Right?
Yes.
Okay, then legit, why are you laughing at me? Like I'm wrong like that?
Because it feels like a storytelling in the ancient days of China.
I am storytelling, right?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah. I can't do it anymore.
So, what's the one mindset shift for our listeners?
Okay. It's important to understand where the industry is going